In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in on Trailhead Salesforce. We'll start right from a blank browser and end on the Trailhead Academy homepage so you can get to your learning fast and confidently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trailhead Salesforce Login and press Enter. Look for the official Salesforce Trailhead or Trailhead Academy login result. When you're choosing a result, it helps to check that the link points to an official Salesforce domain so you know you're signing in safely. On the login page, place your cursor in the username field and enter your credentials. Then move to the password field, type your password, and select the option to log in. Keep your credentials private and avoid saving them on shared devices. If your organization requires multi-factor authentication, be ready to complete that prompt as well. You may also see quick sign-in buttons for single sign-on. Choose the option your organization uses. To show you what these look like, start by selecting the Google Sign-In option. This opens the Google OAuth flow and is handy if your Trailhead account is tied to a Google identity. You might also see a native Salesforce sign-in option. Select that to use a Salesforce managed identity. For some companies, additional identity providers appear, such as MuleSoft or Tableau. Select MuleSoft to see that flow, and then select Tableau to see that option as well. If your company directs you to use a business email pathway, choose business email and then select Next to continue. The key idea here is simple. Pick the identity provider that matches how your company set up your Trailhead access. If you're unsure, your internal admin or training lead can confirm which choice to use. If you want to review what you get with your Trailblazer account, select the Trailblazer account benefits link. This highlights the value of your profile, badges, and learning progress across the Salesforce ecosystem. When you're ready to create a new account at no cost, select Sign Up for free. For a streamlined setup, you can choose to continue with Google. That way you won't have to create and manage a separate password. When the Google account chooser appears, pick your email account or add another to connect it. If a consent screen appears, review the details and proceed to allow access so Trailhead can link to your Google identity. Once you're signed in and redirected to Trailhead Academy, you'll see the home page. To browse available learning, select Explore All. This opens the catalog so you can filter by role, product, and format, whether you're interested in self-paced modules, live classes, or certifications. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for quick access later. Next, open My Cart to view any courses or classes you've added while exploring. Here, you can confirm dates, formats, or remove items you no longer need. Finally, head to My Dashboard. This is your personal command center where you can track enrollments, view progress, and jump back into your learning plan. If you're returning after a break, the dashboard is the fastest way to pick up right where you left off. A few tips as you wrap up. If a window doesn't load during sign-in, temporarily allow pop-ups for Salesforce sites so the authentication screen can appear. When you use shared computers, remember to sign out when you're done. And if your company changes identity providers later, just repeat the same approach and choose the updated option during login. That's it. Starting from a simple Google search, you've seen how to reach the login page, enter credentials, use single sign-on options like Google, Salesforce, MuleSoft, Tableau, or business email, review Trailblazer benefits, sign up for free, and then navigate Explore All, My Cart, and My Dashboard. You're ready to learn on Trailhead with confidence.